Hey guys, and welcome back to another What's in My Kit episode. My name's Amia Serrano and I'm a fashion stylist here sharing everything that's in my kit. Today, I'm sharing pins. And when I say pins, we have dressmaker pins. We have good old safety pins. We all pretty much know what safety pins are used for, but if you don't, it's pretty much, well, as a stylist, we pin the clothes. A binder, not a binder clip. So if a clip doesn't fit, the clips that I shared on my last What's in My Kit video, if those don't fit or they're too big, even the small ones, we want to use safety pins. Now, the safety pins I have here come in like a cute container. It shows all different sizes. Let me get it into, there you go. It's big, small, medium. Want to get all sizes because you never know what you're pinning. Just like using a clip, you don't know how much fabric you need or how thin of a fabric, or you might just need like a little tiny bit, so you just use one of the tiny safety pins. I was also even thinking of getting some black ones just because they'll match the wardrobe. Like say I have black pants I need to pin or a black shirt that I need to pin, I'll have a black safety pin. The other pins that I have are dressmaker pins. Now, dressmaker pins, they're straight pins, and these are usually used for tailoring. They use these to put in on the hem of like, I don't know if you can see it, but it's a really straight pin. So you're just going in and out and it's just sitting there. Be like super cautious with it because it can poke. Because I'll usually use these for like men's pants. If I need to like shorten them and they're not staying, I'll just do some straight pins. But I tell talent like, hey, make sure you be careful because they can poke them. But they do help for shortening pants as far as length goes. And you want to have like a good clean fold. To be honest, I don't use these very often, but I have them in my kit because you just never know. You can now shop these on my Amazon storefront at the Shop What's in My Kit link on my channel. Be sure to share, like, and subscribe for more.